Hello friends, welcome to the new video in our tutorial series. Today I would like to touch upon the topic of reports that the system has to offer, but at the same time, I won't be discussing their content. I would rather focus on the mechanics and how the reports work, rather than what they report upon. And that's because the reports are highly customizable. Every system will have a different set of reports, and some systems will even have blanks. Hang tight because we'll also explore the My Invoices page a bit later. So let's roll. First things first, let's expand that left side tools panel wide open. You see, reports can and do vary wildly between systems. In our case, it looks empty, but that's okay. As an example, check out my custom report, Carrier Manifest. When you click it, the program's going to ask you for some report-specific details. They might differ from one report to another. In my case, I'm punching in a carrier ID and delivery date. Once you are ready, hit the Generate Report button and you'll get the info you've requested. Now, let's go over some of those buttons on the top of the report. The printer icon. Yep, you guessed it. It will print that report using your trusty local printer. And if you're printerless, no worries. That next button will let you export the report to a bunch of interesting formats. Check these out. Microsoft Excel 97, 2003 is perfect for clean and sharp prints, but not the best for playing around with formulas because of those merged fields. Microsoft Excel 97, 2003. Data only is your go-to if you need to perform any calculations on it. It might look a tad different from the screen, but it's super flexible, and it will be easy to manipulate if needed. Character Separated Values, CSV, is basic data export ideal for exports of large chunks of information, not so much for printing. PDF is the classic and reliable format for all your printing needs. Over on the right, you've got an empty field with some cool binoculars. Put in any value you need, and then here's the fun part. Hit that Enter key on your keyboard or tap those binoculars on the screen and watch the computer do its thing, searching the entire report for the value you placed. Next up, we've got the Go to Next and Go to Previous buttons. Simple stuff. They help you flip through a report with multiple pages. Oh, and that little number next door tells you exactly which page you're on. Lastly, let's talk scaling. Want to make the report bigger or smaller? Just tap that cute little pyramid button and you're in control. All right, let's switch gears and head over to the accounting view. On the left, find the Customers tab and hit up My Invoices. You'll see a familiar table filling up with your invoice, and just like in other parts of the program, you can search and sort it like a pro. Click on that blue invoice number, and your PDF viewer will be right there for you. So you see, DeliverySuite program is all about flexibility and customization. If you ever need some specific report, talk to your dispatch crew. With all that being said, no matter what the report you will choose, you're now equipped to tackle them when you need them. Catch you on the next video.